Whatever, no? So make sure that she's or going to esquiva, because it's also question and answer. Move. Also here. I'm here, and then she is up here, and I'm doing this. She doesn't get to move, but she can use it because I made a move here now. Done already, you know? So if I go with any kind of a kick, I want to go into her body, to make her go away, because I don't want her to pass my line. Okay? So be cautious, you go inside. You can always stop your leg before you hit somebody, and then the other person will know, oh, okay, this wasn't right move. Be in the position that we can hold. Okay. So, yes. So we keep on playing inside. Playing inside one or the other. I'm not moving outside. Okay. We are not making a reset, we are playing with what we have, the other person. Okay? And then he will try to find another empty space inside the space. No? So we are trying to be as condensed as we can. Don't go out, go inside. So we are always trying not to back up, but go inside much. Nice! So no stepping out, condensed space. So if you don't have the answer, it's good. Any more answers to check? I can wait. Aha. There is some space still that I can do going inside. You know? So allow yourself to make the stop rather than to go. He doesn't want this. If he goes, it's not real. This leg to my face. No? I go here, so it's this trading of the game. You know? So there is always a way for the police to trade a lot, there is always a way out. You know? Yeah.